Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up with Figma projects to Google Drive step by step clearly. Open your Figma project. Locate the file you want to back up. Click on the file name at the top of the screen. Select File from the drop-down menu. Hover over Save a Copy. Choose Save a Copy from the options. A dialog box will appear prompting you to select a location. Select Google Drive from the available storage options. If you haven't linked your Google Drive, click on Connect. Sign in to your Google account if necessary. Authorize Figma to access your Google Drive. Return to the dialog box after linking your Google Drive. Select the specific folder within Google Drive where you want to save the backup. Enter a name for your backup file. Confirm by clicking Save. Wait for Figma to process and upload the backup to Google Drive. Once the upload is complete, you'll see a confirmation message. Check your Google Drive to verify the backup is there. Always ensure your files are backed up regularly for added security. Repeat this process for any additional Figma projects you wish to back up. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.